Hey, sixth graders. It is April 30th, and today is your Unit 7 math test. I am so excited and so proud of all of your hard work. I just wanted to give you a few reminders before you start, just like I would do in class. So here we go. The first thing I want to remind you to do is to gather all of your notes from Unit 7. Typically, when we are in class, you don't get to use your notes on a test. But since we are learning remotely, it is a great idea to gather all of your notes from the unit and make sure you have them as you are working on your test today. When you see a question on your test about, for example, greatest common factor, then you can go in and find your notes from greatest common factor and use them to help you answer the test question. Another thing that I wanted to remind you about is to please show your work. I won't be able to see it unless you can upload a picture. However, showing your work helps you to be more accurate. It helps you slow down and it helps you avoid little mistakes. Even really fluent mathematicians show their work to help them avoid mistakes. So even if you know you could do it without showing your work, I encourage you to still show your work because it helps you to be really accurate. Particularly for these skills, so finding the greatest common factor, list out all the factors and find the greatest one. Finding least common multiple, list out multiples and find the least that is common, right? Same thing for inequalities. If I ask you which is bigger, -6 or -4, or which is least, -6 or -4, draw yourself a number line that helps you remember that, hey, greater is to the right, least is to the left, right? So draw that little number line. It takes a little bit of effort, but it really, really helps us to get the right answer. I also wanted to remind you, if you begin your test before 3 p.m., that's going to allow you to look at the questions before office hours. Please attend office hours for things that you might normally raise your hand to ask in class. Things like if you have a technology question or an issue accessing the test, or you're not sure how to make your answer on the computer look the way that you want it. If you want to clarify what a question is asking, please go to office hours to do that. And if you want some support finding the notes that will help you, that's a new skill that we haven't had a lot of practice with because you don't usually get to use your notes on the test. But if you would like some help with that, please go ahead and go to office hours. Okay. I also just wanted to give you a ton of positivity. You guys have really crushed this unit, and I'm so excited to see how you do. And with that, after you finish watching this video, go ahead and click next on the Google form and complete your test. Be sure when you're signing into Edulastic that you click sign in with Google. You're completing the assignment that's called Unit 7 test. Good luck, guys, and I will see you back here tomorrow.